See? It's picture. Dog. Later.
You want to walk over there to the ducks?
Yeah.
Okay, go walk over there to the ducks and I'll take a picture of you. Walk over there like you're going to feed them. Walk over there toward them.
See? The duck's gone.
Mm-hmm.
Leave. See? Leave the duck.
Yeah.
Leave. See?
Here they come.
Here they come.
Yeah, you go over there and meet them. Go out there. Say, hey, ducks.
Hey, ducks.
Go ask them what their name is.
Hey. Ducks?
Uh-huh.
The ducks are swimming. The ducks are swimming.
Yeah.
Go, ducks swim. Go now. Right here. Quack, quack, quack.